Alright, let's see how easy this is to put together. Got all the parts and tools that I'm going to need. 10 millimeter and 13 millimeters deep socket. Got the instructions right here. Gather required easy for me to say. Gather required tools. Thread ball stud approximately halfway into silver blind nut. Okay. Let's see. That would be one of these. See how that goes. Alright, they're already screwed in. Where's the silver blind nut? That goes up in here. And then you tighten it. Okay, that's in there. I'll put the other side in. And get it out of the bag. There we go. That goes in there like that. Easier said than done. It's got to put a little downward pressure on it. Doesn't seem to want to do it. Hold on to that. Really want to do it. There we go. Okay. Now it says to use a 13 millimeter socket. Tighten it up. That's not right. I guess it's 10 millimeter. No. Well, the instructions did say 10 and 13. Let's see where I went wrong. It says tighten ball stud using 13 millimeter. That's a 13 millimeter right there. And it's the wrong size. So maybe it's a 12. See if I can find one of my other wrenches here. No. Yeah, let's see what I've got here. There's an 11. 11. Okay, so the instructions were wrong. It's an 11mm socket. It's tight. Try this one. Go. That's tight. Alright. Put that there. Alright, now it says remove one of the bolts from these. Got these other brackets that go on the bottom. Got these brackets here. Okay. They go onto these other ball studs. That's now the one those go on. Okay, those go on the inside over here. Alright. Put the bolt through. I'll put one down because it's better. Just holding one of these. Put that in like that. There we go, got one in. So let's see. It points outwards, so got that right. Put it in like that. Now these are supposed to be a 10. See, where's my 10? Where's my 10? No, of course it's not. So they've got the instructions wrong. What is it? It's probably an 8. Looks like an 8. Let's see, I've got an 8 somewhere. Oh, an 8's the same as 5/16, so use a 5/16 wrench. Put that on there. Okay, so they got the instructions wrong. Tight. Okay, that's on there correctly. Get the other one started. Let's see. Alright, here's the other ball. Here's the other ball. And that's going to go in over here. So we'll get my 5/16, which is supposed to be an 8. And we'll put it in over here. Get that started. Maybe. Possibly. supposed to be pointing toward the outside. Get that one in over here. Get that started. Nice and tight. Is it square? Yep, it looks square. Now, we got the gas stud shocks, whatever you want to call them. Supposed to go in like this. That's snapped in. And this is supposed to snap in over here. Okay. Get the other one snapped in. Try to do it one-handed here. It snaps in. Okay. So it should work. I'll get the supporting bar down. Get in there like that. And you can come over here and put that one in. It says to rock it, so. Yeah, that's not, well, one is holding it up actually. So I got lucky with that, didn't need two people. See if I can't rock this in. There we go. Give it a little persuasion there. So the hood's up. Get these tools out of the way. Empty bags. Put these over on the bench. Get the instructions out of there. So there we go. And it's a lot higher than the original. Let's see if I can get a ruler here and figure out how much more space we got now. It would go in there. So, yeah, got a good 11 inches it looks like. So about an 11-inch lift from stock. Let's see if it closes and opens properly. There, it's closed. Let's open it and see how it does when it opens. Two pulls. And there it goes. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I like it. Not too difficult. The instructions were incorrect. So these are 11s up here, not 13s. And these are 8s down here, not 10s. So that's the only difference. As long as you have a good tool set, you should be in good shape. So we'll end that there and hope it helps.